Taking the oath at a media conference, Patire highlighted development of the informal settlements as among his key priorities in office. He would work closely with the youth, he said, to ensure they form a part of the town's development. He will also advocate for a cleaner environment, he said, and help to attract investors to the town.
First things that I said I want to go look for, or that I want to go post in our council, is our roads in Canaan Sea, which is really a challenge to our residents or to our people that are staying there. We need to bring improvement to our roads there for a social, for the network that will be easier for our people when they are moving, so that it won't be very difficult for them to move in and out in that in that area. The other second issue that I want to go raise there is the water, the taps, and also water in the area of our informal settlement. It's a problem for our residents or to our people there in Canaan Sea. As a young leader, as a young councillor, also I want to introduce clinical bins in Gobabis. In locations, I want to go and come up with these clinical bins so that at least we can have a clean town of Gobabis.
Patire encouraged young people to go out in numbers and participate in the presidential and national assembly elections.